morning, Joseph.
Good morning, madam.
Why are you so tired today?
I stayed up last night trying to read about climate change, but I still don't understand.
Let me help you. Let's learn together. First, let's learn about climate.
So, what is climate?
Let's imagine the map of the world. Can you find Africa on it? Climate is different all over the world, and it tells us how we feel where we are. Why do we live here?
We can live here because it's not too hot and it's not too cold.
Yes, we have good soil, warm climate to grow food, and plenty of rain. Let's go outside. Climate is how we feel where we live. How does it feel out here?
It feels hot and wet, just like a tropical climate.
Imagine when there is no rain, there is a drought. And what happens when there is a drought?
Oh, there will be no water to drink and no food to eat.
Yes, Joseph, and our home will look like this.
What? Madam, we can't live in a place like this. My whole family will have to move away.
Yes, exactly. And scientists know that the way we live will change in the next 10 to 20 years. Climate change means that some places will become hot and dry. And some places will become warm and wet. That is hot to cold, wet to dry. The climate is changing.
Now I know what climate is. And all over the world, the climate is changing. The question is, what is causing the climate to change?
So we know the earth is round, and what surrounds it is the atmosphere.
Look like this?
Yes, exactly. And there are gases in the atmosphere that we can't see. Some of the gases are good and some are bad. Here is how the atmosphere looks like. Harmful gases trap heat in the atmosphere. The more harmful gases in the atmosphere, the more heat we feel.
But madam, heat is good. It keeps us warm.
Well, not exactly. Let's imagine we are in the car and the windows are up and the sun is scorching. The hot air in the car becomes hotter and hotter because the heat are trapped in the car.
So madam, you mean the earth is like this car and the harmful gases are trapping the heat inside?
Correct, Joseph. And when there is more heat, what happens to the earth?
Earth will get hotter and hotter. Snow will melt and animals will die. Where do these harmful gases come from?
Humans make harmful gases every day. Humans produce a harmful gas called carbon dioxide or CO2. Joseph, do you burn your rubbish?
Madam, my family burns rubbish every day, but I didn't know it produces harmful gases.
All that black smoke is bad for you and bad for the earth. When you drive the car, it burns fuel, and this makes CO2 gas. Factories that make things for us produces CO2 and other harmful gases. And when we cut down trees to build houses, there is more CO2 left in the air. Trees clean the air for free. Anytime we use electricity, the powerhouse where the electricity comes from burns fuel. And burning of this fuel produces CO2 and other harmful gases.
So humans are making the bad gases that heat up the earth. Oh, I see. So we are young people. What can we do to stop this climate change?
Educating students about climate change will protect the Earth and its people. As adults, you can pressure the government to do more about climate change.
Then we need to stop cutting trees and plant more. Trees clean up the air for us. Save more fuel by using mass transport like trotro or metro mass. Riding a bicycle is even better. Don't burn your rubbish, it's bad for your health. Separate your waste into plastic and non-plastic and send the plastic to the refuse dump. And compost your food scraps into organic fertilizers. Let's use solar electricity. It's free electricity from the sun.
I'm so proud of you, Joseph. Now you know all about climate change.
Yes, madam. Thank you for showing me. Now I know what to do. Don't burn rubbish, compose old food for soil, ride or walk or bus. Pick up your rubbish, don't cut down trees, use less electricity. And now I can teach my friends and family too, and so can you. Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how we can stop climate change.